Hello, good evening, everyone. It's me, Lato from UK. Obviously, you must be watching from home or any other countries from outside the countries or anywhere else. I hope you are listening to me. Just let me know if you can't listen. Okay, so right, I think you can listen now. Let me check once. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Again, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Lato from UK. Welcome to my live session. Today, I'm going to be talking about some altcoins, which can give you, maybe 10x, 30x, or more than that, in due course. So today, obviously, I'm going to be talking about some coins that I have picked. So stay tuned, guys. Okay. Right. The first of all, I would like to talk about not the hodl or trade. The other one, which is this. Okay, what is a cryptocurrency? Guys, you might have heard of the Bitcoin. Okay, so I think some of you might have invested in Bitcoin, and you might have made some profit as well. I hope you are looking looking to again like invest some more money, but because of the price it has gone up, and it is very hard to believe and very hard to invest in. I can understand that, because I wanted to invest when it was like $50 in 2013, but I did not. Why? Because it was very expensive. Okay, so obviously today the price of Bitcoin has gone up by like 3,000%. Like the price of Bitcoin is now 26,000 plus. So I still can't afford to buy one single Bitcoin. Okay, so it will be too late when it goes to like $1 million worth Bitcoin in the future. Okay, right. Obviously if you don't know about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, the cryptocurrency in a sort, like crypto is a short form, and it is a digital asset. It is like a fiat money, but it's a digital like digital gold. Okay, so I think you have got some gold at home, but we keep Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies in digital. Okay, so digital asset, it is designed to work as a medium of exchange. Okay, like let's talk about our ancestors. They used to barter trade with the goods to goods. Okay, same kind of like medium of exchange. Okay, wherein individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger. Okay, that I showed you last time. Okay, existing in a form of computerized database using strong cryptography, okay, to secure transaction and records, okay, to control the creation of additional coins and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. Okay, so it is kind of transferable. Okay, so let's say if I send some coins to you, so it can be seen, it can be traced. Okay, so that's what we do with the digital system nowadays. Okay, that's why in the future there will be time when we are not going to use our fiat money. Okay, because it will be replaced by the cryptocurrencies. Okay, likewise in Nepal, let's say if I go back to Nepal, and if I'm gonna carry some Great Britain pounds, I can't use my coins, or not coins, or paper notes or fiat monies in Nepal. So I need to get exchanged to Nepalese rupees, and then I can use there and then. Okay, exactly. That sort of thing gonna happen with the cryptocurrencies in the future. So you don't need to worry about carrying so much money in your pocket. So it can be transferred within a millisecond. Okay, so it is very useful, transferable, and obviously it will be done under blockchain technology. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk about, hodl or Theta trade. Okay, so you can see hodl. It should be actually hold, but somebody when there used to be a massive bull market of the cryptocurrency, someone put hodl, HODL. It could be done mistakenly, but somebody put hodl, and all the crypto payments or crypto investors they start to put the name hodl. Okay, when you are going to hold some bitcoins or any other cryptocurrencies, but you're gonna say hodl, not hold. Okay, let's see comments. Sound is good. Okay, thank you so much, Mansudan bro, for your information. So it is working. Okay, right, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, I'm on live. I'm on Facebook and YouTube. So if you're gonna go and follow me on YouTube, just subscribe, like, and share if you can, and also you can share the live stream on Facebook as well, so that many people will come, and then we'll have a chat about cryptocurrencies. Okay, right. So now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to talk about some cryptos. Okay, and I'll show you the current price of the Bitcoin as well. Let me do this, just 2 seconds. Right. Okay, BTC USD. Right. Okay. Who else is watching? Right. Okay. Welcome everyone. Padam Culture. Welcome. Right. If you do have any question, please put in the comment section below. Okay. So that I can answer if I know. Tapakansa is watching. Santa Gochan. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome. Welcome. Right. Anyway, just I would like to talk about my disclaimer. Okay. Obviously today I'm going to be talking about some cryptocurrencies, which is I'm going to be focusing on altcoins today. Okay. So talking about myself. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, hence why I can't give you the advice on finance or indeed and investment. So please do not take my word. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna be talking about those coins in very briefly. Okay, so if you would like to have more in detail, obviously you can dig in, going into the correct website, find out yourself. You have to work hard to get benefited, obviously. So you have to do some extra work. Okay, so if you would like to have more juicy stuff about those altcoins. Okay, Right. So what I'm going to show you now is I'm going to show you the current Bitcoin price. Okay. So let me share my screen. Right. So if you're going to look in front of you, you should be able to see the graph over there. Okay. It's a trading view chart I'm showing you here. Okay. So what I'm going to show you here now is, okay, this is a BTC USD. BTC is Bitcoin. Okay, you might have heard of the guy Satoshi, you know. So Satoshi is the creator of the Bitcoin, and obviously, you know, Bitcoin is the grandfather of the cryptocurrencies, or maybe altcoin. Okay, so obviously, you know, talking about these coins, let's talk about in 2017. So there was a big, you know, bull run in 2017. Okay, so at that time, obviously, you know, I invested in with those cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin as well, but it dropped back to, like, you know, back to almost 3,000 US dollar. And again, now you can see the Bitcoin price, the current price of the Bitcoin is 26,824. That is the current price of the Bitcoin. Okay, so it has gone, you know, up to that level now. So do you think is it a bull run? Is it to the moon now? It could be. It could be. Okay, so let's talk about this. Okay, let's go and check in monthly. So if you're gonna check in monthly chart, what you can see, okay, so within three months time, the growth of Bitcoin you can see here by, let's see, here you can see. So the Bitcoin reached at 28,363 dollar. Okay, it was the price of one Bitcoin a few days back. Okay, so if you're going to talk about in percentage, within 3 months period of time, obviously it has gone by 189.70%. Okay, 189%. Okay, so it is massive bull run is there. So what do you think the price of Bitcoin in a year time, or maybe in a couple of years time? Yeah, so think about that. Okay, so it is a digital currency, it is a digital gold. So what I'm thinking of the price of Bitcoin is it could reach to £1 million, maybe a million US dollar. Let's talk about in US dollar. So it could reach to $1 million within a couple of years. So what do you think by next year? It could reach to, let's say, 100,000 maybe. Okay, so today, what I'm gonna talk about, when you want to have at least one Bitcoin. Okay, let's say you want to buy a Bitcoin, and then you can you're gonna be holding for a year or a couple of years. Okay, so what you could do, you know, to make sure, you know, you are in a safe side. Okay, so what you can do, let's say you have got a Bitcoin that is worth around 26,000. Okay, so you are holding one Bitcoin here. So let's say by 2021, end of the 2021, the price of Bitcoin could reach to, let's say, 50,000. Okay, so by that time, what you can do, you can sell half of the Bitcoin. Okay, you're gonna sell half of the Bitcoin, which is worth around 25,000. So exchange with the fiat money, okay, and then transfer back to your bank account. So you are still holding half a Bitcoin, and the worth around 25 grand, right? Then wait until it goes to, let's say, 100,000. Okay, so let's say in a couple of years time, the price of Bitcoin, let's say, reaches to 100,000. Okay, 100,000. At that time, because of you are holding half a Bitcoin, so obviously the price or worth, about let's say your half a Bitcoin worth is like 50K, right? At that time, what you can do, you can sell another half of the Bitcoin, which is 1/4, right? So you're going to be holding 1/4 of the Bitcoin, right? So you still can have 25,000 in your pocket, and then you are going to be holding 25,000 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, then what you can do, you can wait until it reaches to $1 million. By that time, you will be making $250,000. That's how you can hold your Bitcoin. Okay, or another way, what you can do is, when the price dip down, you buy, and then when it goes up, you sell it. That way you can trade and then make money. Okay, that's the Bitcoin. How you, if you want to buy a Bitcoin and then hold for a couple of years time, and you want to be safe side, that's what you can follow this rule. Okay, right. Let's talk about other coins. Okay, because you can see that the Bitcoin has gone up to like 28,000 US dollar in few years, not few years, few days back. Okay, so what about the altcoins? Those people who have invested money in altcoins, they are crying now. Why? Because because of the bearish movement, right? So what's going to happen in due course? I'm quite bullish on altcoins in 2021. That is why I have chosen some coins, maybe low market cap with those coins, and they are the best coins in terms of like or when you compare to other cryptocurrencies. So you can invest in, and then you can make like 30x, maybe 50x, or maybe 100x. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you some coins. Okay, you can take a note, and then you can go into the website, and then you can find out more about those cryptocurrencies. Okay, all right. So obviously in talking about as a whole cryptocurrencies, there are more than 8,000 cryptocurrencies, and there are 34,000 plus markets where you can go and then buy and sell your cryptocurrencies. Okay, talking about the total market cap of the cryptocurrencies is almost $1 trillion, which is $722 billion. So within 24 hours, the volume of whole cryptocurrencies is $204 billion. Okay, and obviously the grandfather of the cryptocurrency is being Bitcoin, which is 68.9%. That's the dominance. Okay, talking about 24 hours period of time. Okay, so as a being number one Bitcoin, here you can see that's the Bitcoin. Obviously, and the current price is 26,790. So talking about within 24 hours, it has gone by 0.83%, and within 7 days, it has gone by 17.68%. Okay, so total market of only the Bitcoin is $498 billion. So within 24 hours, that's the volume. 50 billion is the total volume, and the circulating supply is now 18.5 million. Okay, so that is going to be the total of 21 million Bitcoin in the future. That only we can mine. So we cannot mine more than that. Okay, so also people have bought some Bitcoins in the past, and then they have lost. So that in circulation, that will be around 17 million Bitcoin in the future. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, So second cryptocurrency, you can see Ethereum. So ERC20 cryptos, you might have heard of those coins, and there are many more. So if you follow like top 20 coins, you won't go wrong. Okay, you won't go wrong. So talking about the these coins, talking about my portfolio. So I always put my Bitcoin in 55%, and 10-15% in Ethereum, and rest of in like ADA, which is Cardano, Chainlink, and some other coins. Okay, so today obviously I'm gonna chat about some coins I have chosen. I will not go through in details, but I will just give you the name of those coins. You can follow, maybe you can invest in those cryptocurrencies as well. Okay, right. The first of all, let's go to Fimex, the fastest crypto exchange and futures trading platform. Right. I have been doing like cryptocurrency exchange, not exchange, the trading and the option tradings and forex trading for like couple of years now. So if you are interested in doing trading, not the forex or stock, but in terms of like cryptocurrencies, you can sign up with the Fimex, and then you can trade into this platform. Okay, so if you would like to sign up, obviously check in the below section. You should be able to find out the link. Okay, so if you sign up there, and then you transfer your cryptocurrency and you start to trade, I think you should be able to receive $60 worth free Bitcoin. Okay, that's the Fimex. Okay, let's talk about the coin. Okay, I have chosen. There is no particular order. Okay, however, I have chosen some coins. Just have a look. Okay, so injective protocol. So if you'd like to know more about this coin, obviously what you can do is you can click on the website here, and then you can go there, and then you can have a look, all the things like roadmaps, everything there. Okay, so injective protocol. The current price of injective protocol is $4.68 US. Okay, so total supply is 100 million. So 100 million is the total supply. So in circulation at the moment are 14 million tokens. Okay, they are being circulated to the world at this time. Okay, so talking about the volume of 24 hours, obviously 28 million, and the total market cap of injective protocol is 68 million. Okay, so here you can see the price when Tuesday, October 20, 2020. So October 20, the price of one injective protocol was $1. So now you can see $4. So it has gone by 400%. Okay, so if you'd like to know more about market pace, like where you can buy those coins, obviously you can go there and then buy. Okay, so my internet is quite slow, so it is lagging, and that is why it hasn't come up. However, right. Okay, here you go. So there are total like 20 markets where you can go and buy injective protocol. Okay, let's go and see what the website says. Okay, right. It says like fast, secure, and fully decentralized trading. So obviously injective protocol is kind of as I've already mentioned about the other one, it is kind of trading platform. So it is fully decentralized. Okay, it is not being controlled by anybody else. Okay, so it is fast, secure, and fully decentralized trading platform. Okay, so if you would like to know more about this platform, obviously you can go there and then source everything. Okay, so before you invest in. Okay, so next is Kylin. So I think it is not published in Coinbase yet. So it's still in pre IPO kind of thing. You can buy tokens from there. So building a cross-chain platform powering the data economy on Polkadot. So the data infrastructure for DeFi, obviously, this is the decentralized finance and Web 3.0 powered by Polkadot. So guys, obviously, I can't give you the technical data or information in regards to those platforms. So what you can do is you just go into the website and then find out everything there, and then buy some tokens or coins if you like. Okay, so it could give like few extra bucks, like 10x, maybe 30x. It could be 10x, 30x, 100x. Okay, so that depends. Okay, right. The next one is Tera Virtue Collect. Okay, so obviously the current price of this token is 0.05, which is half cent. Obviously the maximum supply is 1.2 billion, and there is no circulating supply at the moment, and the volume of 24 hours is 729. So it is very new coin. It is very new coin. So let's see in the website. Right. Okay. Tera Virtue collecting reinvented. Okay. So I think this is very good coin. So let's go and see in the market. Okay, let's go to marketplace. Yeah. Okay. So basically, if you guys like playing games, like I think like if you have got kids, they like to play games. Obviously, they can go there and then play the games and then collect coins. Okay, so you can collect coins free. Free coins. Why not? You go there, play, and then collect. Okay, that's what you can do with the Tera Virtue. Okay. Okay, the next coin is Power Trade Fuel. The current price of PTF is 0.38, and the total supply of this coin is 400 million, and in circulation there are like 4 million PTF. Okay, and the volume within 24 hours is 304,000, and obviously the market cap is 1.5. Very low market cap. Very low market cap. And talking about the ranking, it is in 1134. Okay, so obviously, I think when they were on initial public, that was 0.49, means 0.38. Yeah, it's still good price. Good price. So you can buy some coins and then hodl. Okay, so you can hodl some coins. Okay. Let's go and see website. Okay, it's a crypto options. Okay, level up with the Bitcoin options trading. It's quick, it's straightforward, and all mobile. It is kind of, the Power Trade is like talking about in USA. That is a platform. What do you call that platform? One of my mates used to trade in that platform. I can't remember that. However, if you'd like to do trading, like crypto trading, this is the platform. It is going to be the biggest platform in the world in the future. Okay, so it's very good. Trade like a boss with the options. You can be bullish, bearish, or both on Bitcoin. You are the boss, it's your call. Yeah, basically, if you are not holding your coin and obviously you want to go there and then trade, obviously you can go there and then trade. Okay, so that's the Power Trade, and you can hold some coins as well. Okay, the next coin I have chosen is API Finance. API Finance, the current price of API Finance is 0.32 cent, and there are going to be total supply of 100 million APY, and the circulating supply at the moment is 11 million. and the volume within 24 hours is 1.1 million, and the market cap is 3.5. It's still low market cap. So think about like when it goes to like $1 billion worth market cap, what's going to happen the price. Yeah, so this is also very good token. So obviously I can't really go through all about the technical things and the detailed information in regards to those coins. So I would suggest you to go there, because I have chosen those coins, and you have to click on the website and then go there and then find out more in details. Okay, here you go, website. Okay, so yield farming robo advisor. So API finance smart contracts continuously route your funds to a portfolio of the latest and greatest yield farming strategies. So yeah, go there and then find out more in details, please. Yeah. Okay, that's the one. Okay, the next one is Opshift. Opshift. So XFT. The current price of XFT is $1, and total supply are 10 million XFT, and circulating supply is 1.7 million, and the volume within 24 hours is 29,000. Market cap is still small market cap, so 1.8. So the ranking 1084. So when it comes within like 100 top coins, probably it will give us some at least 10-20x. Okay, so you can go and check website here. That's the website. So Opshift. Right, so Opshift is a cryptographically private offshore storage and DeFi protocol. Obviously decentralized finance protocol on Ethereum. It is, I think, Ethereum based cryptocurrency, and the first dual-sided public and private protocol to be built entirely on a public blockchain. Okay, so I think this coin is both, like if you transfer to let's say a person, then obviously you can do publicly, or you can choose to send or transfer that value in privately. That means nobody can see your transaction. Okay, so you can choose both. Okay, let's talk about showroom that finance. So showroom, so the current price is 0.06 cent. The maximum supply are going to be 40 million, and there is no current circulating supply, and the volume within 24 hours is 187,000. So I think the market cap is still low. So I think it will be shown in a few weeks or a few months time. So that is still good. When they came out to the public, I think the price of showroom was 0.02. Yeah, 0.2. So yeah, it has gone by like times 3. Okay, so you can go to website, you can check everything here. Right, project in beta. Okay, it is still in beta. Right. Okay, next is Monero. Obviously this, I think you guys are quite familiar with this Monero XMR. This is the private coin. So this is going to be huge. This is definitely going to be huge. And obviously the current price of one Monero is $166. And total supply are going to be 17 million. And the circulating supply almost there. And the volume within 24 hours is 1 billion. And the market cap of Monero is $2.9 billion. Okay, so you can see there, when there was a spike in 2017, it was around about like December time. So right there. Yeah, so the price of Monero was $456 roundabout, when the market cap was like, you know, $7 billion, I think. So you can go there and then check, you know, on the website. That's the website, Monero, a private digital currency. So Monero is cash for a connected world. It is fast, private, and secure. Okay, so if you are a businessman and if you want to, you know, deal with the business people, obviously, you know, you don't want to be, you know, seen by others, right? So you can do it privately. Okay, so this is very good coin. Okay, next one is Algo. The current price of Algo is 0.34 cent, and the total supply are going to be 10 billion Algo. Circulating supply is 1.1 billion. Obviously, the market cap of Algo is $407 million, almost half a billion. Okay, so go to website and then check. So borderless economy. So this one, and that's the community to do the action. Right here you can see, look, exporting Algorand transaction for tax reporting. So export tool for exporting Algorand on chain transaction, including reward for crypto tax sites to consume. So yeah, government, you know, can use the Algo blockchain technology to basically, you know, keep all the data. Okay, so it's going to be huge, Algo, definitely, you know. Right, Theta. The current price of Theta is 1.55, which is, you know, $1.50, and total supply obviously is 1 billion, and circulating 1 billion. You know, volume within 24 hours is 143 million, and the market cap is 1.5 billion. So talking about the ranking, it is within 20 top coins. Okay, so rank in 20, number 20. So you can go there and then check the website here. Right, so here you can see next generation video delivery powered by you. Okay, so I think it's it is like when you talk about, like, you know, Twitch or YouTube kind of thing. I think the Theta is going to be like one of the platforms like that, but it is going to be in decentralized streaming blockchain technology. So likewise, you know, YouTube is being controlled by the owner of YouTube, and Twitch is I think the Chinese owner with that one, and so he controls Twitch. Exactly, Theta or Theta. So it is not going to be controlled by anybody else. That is why it is going to be a decentralized streaming blockchain platform. Okay, so it is definitely going to be used. Okay, just, you know, notice this one. I think that's my second last coin, Bridge. So the current price of Bridge is $27, and the total supply is obviously, you know, 10 million bond. So BOND, that's the one, and circulating supply is 712 at the moment, thousand, which is, and volume within 24 hours is 2.8 million, and the total market cap is 19 million. So yeah, 10 million, which is half a Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going to be like 21 million Bitcoins. So almost half of that. So 10 million bond. So let's go and check our website. So tokenized risk protocol, or fluctuations derivatives protocol for hedgings. Yeah. So sensitivity and market price. Okay. So right. Sorry for that. So obviously, boundaries is going to be, I think, huge in due course. Just if you'd like to know more about in detail, obviously you can go there and then check. Okay. Right. Okay. I think that is all. So I think you have got those coins names down, and go into the website, find out more in detail, and then if you'd like to invest, just invest in it. So you could get some profit back in due course. Okay. So definitely this year, obviously we did not see the bull market for altcoins. Obviously 2021 is going to be massive. I think it's going to be massive. Okay. Right. So let's break down the Bitcoin, the market. Okay. So let's see what's going to happen in a week or maybe a month period of time. Okay. So I'm going to break down the market of Bitcoin now. Okay, let's talk about in monthly chart. You can see it is going up, like that. So it is massive bull run with the of the Bitcoin. So it is still going up. So it could go up. Because we can't see any bearish movement in terms of like monthly chart. So let's go and see weekly how we can see. Okay. So right, if you're going to talk about in weekly chart, obviously you can see the price from 10,660, it went up to almost 19,000 over there. And when it reaches there, what should have happened? Yeah, so without retrace back to, let's say, 38, right? Okay, I can see that. Look, okay, market went up, straight up, and then it did not retrace back to 0.382. So without being retraced back to 0.382, again market left that place and then went up. Okay, and it did try to come back, but it's still because of that demand area that was able to hold the market. And then from here the market went straight up. Okay, so what I can see in the future is it should be able to come back at least to 0.382. Okay, at least to 0. Okay, let's put the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. Okay, there. Right, at least this market will come back to this level over there, and then as soon as it hits that level, whether it will manage to come back to the 50% level, or maybe it could go back to the golden level, which is 0.618. Why? Because of the massive, state, the market, state went up like that, so it should be better when it, comes back very slowly like this, and it should be better if it could, come back, quite deep, up to 0.618. Then when the market comes back to this level, obviously we're gonna look for buy. So we look for a longing opportunity when it gets to the 0.618 level. That's what I'm thinking when I look at the market price action in weekly chart. Okay. So let's see in daily. Right. Okay. There you can see, quite imbalance. They have left, quite imbalance over there. However, they have created, massive liquidity over there, and then market, shoot up to that level over there. So here you can see, 3 rejection there, 3 days, rejection, like over the past 3 days, the market rejected, quite strongly. So because of, those rejection over there, it should be able to, come back to this level over there. Okay, which is 23,000, around about, like, 23,800 level. Okay, so when the market, comes back to this level, obviously I'm gonna be looking for the environment of this level. So if it shifts back to bullish, obviously we look for longing opportunity. However, if it manages to break this level, which is this level here, so as soon as it breaks that level, just 2 seconds, yeah, this level over there, and when I can see at least one candle, daily candle, closes somewhere around there, then when it goes back to retrace to this level to find out the strong resistance, at that time I will look for sell, so sorting opportunity up to that level over there. Okay, that's what I can see. So think about, when it gets to this level, and if it manages to penetrate that level, obviously here, and when it goes back to respect that level, obviously you look for sorting opportunity. But when it goes back from this level over there, then obviously you're going to be looking for longing opportunity. Okay, that's what I can see for the time being. Okay, but in the future, obviously the price of Bitcoin could could go to $1 million. Not today, not next year, in few years time. Okay, it could be down the line, like 5 years, maybe 10 years. So I can see the bright future of Bitcoin. Okay, not only Bitcoin, Ethereum is also there, and some other coins, which is Chainlink. So think about the Chainlink. Okay, that data collection blockchain. It's like Oracle. So in terms of Oracle, where the government could use the blockchain to store all the valuable data. Okay, so Chainlink, my best coin, Chainlink, Bitcoin, Ethereum. ADA is also one of the cryptocurrencies, and some other coins which I have mentioned today. Okay, so just keep it in your mind and keep your eye on with those cryptocurrencies. Okay, gentlemen and ladies. Right. I think that is enough for today's live session. I hope you have got something from me. So please, guys, okay, do not take that as an advice of investing your hard-earned money into those Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies. Please because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not qualified to advise you on that. So please do bear in mind. And if you'd like to know more about those things, obviously please, nowadays you can go on YouTube or Google, find out about these coins, and then you can whether if you'd like to invest, just invest in, or if you'd like to again maximum knowledge, you can go for that, please. Okay, so wish you all the best. Okay, if you have planned, or if you think you want to invest your money for those things, obviously it's going to be massive in due course. So wish you good luck for that. Obviously anything just put in the comment section below. I might come back with the topic if you wish like me to explain in the next session. Okay, so obviously I'm going to be covering these things and the trading, because I'm a trader, not full-time trader, part-time trader. Obviously I do trade in forex and the stock as well. So if you'd like to know more about trading, then you can contact me. Okay, not for those cryptocurrencies. I do I do research for those cryptocurrencies because I want to invest myself. Okay, but I'm giving you the information where you will have more benefit investing in those cryptocurrencies, which I've just chosen and then explained to you. Okay, that is why I have I have just done this session for you. But if you'd like to have more knowledge, more information, maybe strategy, you want to know basic skills maybe with the trading, obviously you can come and ask. Okay, so I'm here to help you. Okay, so thank you so much for your time today. Obviously like my live session, go to YouTube, which is dCryptoTube. So you can search by putting just dCryptoTube. Okay, so D means decentralized, crypto tube. Okay, so dCryptoTube. Go there, subscribe my channel, like and share, please. Okay, so share my live session on Facebook as well. And wherever you are, please stay safe, use the mask, wash your hands for 20 seconds maybe. Yeah, so stay safe. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and I wish you all the best for your future venture, or whatever you are planning to do. So please do very carefully. Obviously there are so many scammers out there, and there are some Ponzi schemes. People have been telling to other they are spreading those kind of platforms out there. Please do your own due diligence. Okay, so research it properly and then invest your money. Okay, nowadays you might be scammed by others very easily. Okay, so stay safe. Wish you all the best, and take care. Have a good night, and see you in the next live session. Until then, Subharatri.